Hi everybody, what's going on? This is your girl B Lee with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my slick as freak bun. Stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is a water bottle, and also the biggest important thing is the Eco Styler gel. This is the crystal kind, this is the clear kind. I love this gel so much. I feel like it gets my hair sleek down and it works better with other of my products. The hold is at a 10, so it's a perfect duo for me. A lot of people like the olive oil gel, but the crystal works perfect for me. The second product, of course, is my combs. One comb will be for kind of separating my hair, and the other comb will be for making that part more precise. The next is a very hard bristle brush. If you don't have one, you're going to need one that's very hard, that's not soft, so you need something that's going to get through your hair. Next is the Cream of Nature Perfect Edges, and this is going to help us kind of get all those flyaways and making the part even cleaner. You're going to see that. And finally, it's the Curl Enhancement Smoothie. I love this stuff, obviously. Keeps my hair soft. And you guys know my African's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil, just to give it some shine and working through my hair to keep it moisturized. Lastly, of course, is my hair bands from Goody. I love these hair bands. They get all of my hair intact and they're just great to use. So, normal headbands. My other thing is, of course, a toothbrush to lay down them edges, girl. You already know. And a wide tooth comb, just to separate my hair. And this is a sock bun I've made myself. You could cut a sock. You simply cut the sock at the tip of it, and then you just roll it backwards, and then it's going to create a bun. So the first thing I'm going to do is separate my hair. You can move in smaller sections. The section that I chose was bigger. It's not a problem. So I'm going to put my excess hair in a bun on top of my head and leave the back out. The back is probably the most important, or the middle of your head. So I'm going to start out with the water bottle, just preparing my hair to be more stretch and more flexible, ready to do what I want it to do. And it loves water, so I'm just going to add some water. The next thing you're going to need, obviously, is a moisturizer or some type of like curling cream. And this is the Curl Enhancement Smoothie. I love using it, like I always tell you guys. And I'm going to work it through my hair. This again is going to help it stretch more. So now I've had a flexibility and it's going to stretch more. Now it's going to be ready to mold in a way once I put the gel on there. So I'm just taking it, working it through my hair, and I make sure I put it close to my scalp. That way it'll lay flat. So if I put it closer to my scalp, my hair will lay flatter. I've been noticing, like, when I put it through my hair, throughout my hair is so much more flatter versus me just putting a whole bunch of gel on top of my hair. So if you put it throughout your hair is going to be way better when it comes to smoothing it out and creating a cleaner look. So now I'm going to take the Eco Styler gel, the crystal kind, and I'm going to go right towards my scalp. Not on my scalp directly, because it does itch my scalp, but I just put it on like close to my scalp. And now you can see how easy it is to slick back into a ponytail, and that's what I mean by using these products throughout your hair to get that slick look. Now I'm just simply taking my brush and I'm going to brush my hair down, and this is going to prepare the hair to mold whenever I need to mold. So now that I got the bottom part down, I'm going to move throughout the rest of my hair to do the same thing. And I just simply sped this part up so you guys get the gist of it. So again, I'm using water, the Curling Enhancement Smoothie for second, and then I use my gel over top of it. And I'm just going to work and work and work until I feel like the hair is gotten submerged in the product and ready to mold when I'm ready to part my hair. So when I was doing this, you can kind of see that there was a point in time that the product started to build upon on my hair, and it began to have like that white residue. You know, nobody likes that. So what I did is just take a towel and I just like wipe some of that excess moisturizer off of my hair, and I added more water and it just went away. So it's going to have a white residue, but after a while, once it dries, and even when you brush your hair, you're going to see it on the brush. So make sure you're cleansing your brush throughout the whole process too, because if you have white residue on the brush, it's just going to go right back on your hair. So make sure, if you have to, rinse it out or just simply add more water and it should go away. I usually use this particular style when my hair is dirty. I don't like to over product my hair, so I use this only when my hair is like really dirty, it's almost close to wash day, or I just have no other style, you know, and I'm going out and stuff and I want to be professional and look cute or whatever the case may be. So this is a go-to style that I always use, which is a bun, and I only use it when my hair is dirty or it's close to wash day. Okay, you will definitely notice that my hair is molding already. Like if you notice, like the whole shrinkage and all that is like coming into play. So right now I'm gonna take my combs I was telling you about. I'm gonna take the wider tooth comb and I'm gonna use that to separate my hair and go back in with the smaller comb to make that part more precise. And this is the method that I use. Now, I did have to go off camera to do a part, to do it perfect. I would probably be here all day if I tried to do it on camera. So I went off camera and I came back to the part that I was looking for. And I like to go with the, I don't know, like a middle side part type deal, because I just feel like it's better than just a middle part, just something different. Okay, so now I have my hair separated. And I am now going to work in practicing the whole molding method, which is just simply adding water and adding gel on top of my hair for it to have that slick look and to have it slicked back. So I have everything separated and I'm going to add water to loosen up my curls at the top and be ready and prepared to mold pretty much. So this is the most important part, and we're going to take my bristle brush. This is what I mean. This brush, I don't even know where I got it from, but I want to say probably a beauty supply store, obviously, but it's a very, very good brush, especially because the bristles are very hard, which gets my hair and how thick it is in place and in order like I need it to. So it doesn't take so many strokes as a soft brush might, you know. So this brush gets through my hair, and that's what really helps me get a sleeker look, because I feel like I've used softer brushes and I can't get all of that through there. So using that brush is definitely a help to get that look. So now I'm going to add gel on top of it on my edges and really around the part, and I'm going to start using my hands first to try to like get the gel through it and working the gel through my hair. Then I'm going to follow through with the brush, and I'm just going to keep brushing it down towards that area. Keep brushing it, brushing it, and brushing it, and then you're going to see it kind of fall in place. So now I have both sides reasonably done or intact. So I'm just doing the same method I did on the other side, now on the opposite side. So I did add a little bit of oil on top. This just creates for shine, makes it look shinier. I'd hate when I see like a dry bun. So I always like to add some moisturizer. So this is me. At this time, like, I really be looking like Francine from Author, y'all. Like, it's so weird, but it's so weird. But my hair is pretty good at molding. We did all of that. You could tell, like, it went from an afro to now my hair is like actually staying in place, ready to mold and do whatever I want it to do. So that's why I like this method of adding product throughout my hair, so that way my hair is super softer, and then when I try to, like, you know, take it back or whatever I need to do, it's super easy. So I'm just going to take my headband now and I'm going to put it in a ponytail in the back, and I'm just going to make sure everything is slicked down at this point, going back with the brush, going back with my hand, and repeating this step over and over until I have a good hold on my hair. Okay, now that I have most of my hair formed, ready, molded, ready to go in a ponytail, in the beginning I took the band and I already put it in two. That's why I love these goodie bands so much, because they never really, they're ready to, like, they can just do anything. Like, they don't understand how hard it is to have thick hair and then find a band that won't break. Like, oh my gosh. So me putting it in two is just making it tighter. It's like a tighter hold. So I'm gonna really grab my hair as tight as in and take both pieces that I have, and then I'm going to let go of one and tie it. So it's like you have two, but then you have one around one wrist, and then you're going to take the one around the wrist and then make another a ponytail again. Then you're going to go again. So you then end up with about 4 or 3 wraparounds. So then your hair is super tight, which is why these goodie bands, I'm glad they came out with them, because there's no way I could get this with a simple band that they have, you know, on the normal ones that they sell. So this one works perfect, get all my hair into the ponytail. Like, I've never had that happen before. Okay, so this is like a finishing touch I like to do to get all my flyaways, all the hair that wants to be extra and not be like everybody else. I take my toothbrush, I put in my edge control, and I go alongside the part first. This is gonna make my hair in the area kind of sleek and make sure that my hair doesn't rise up. If you have curly hair like I do, you know how hard it is to make a part and make it really sleek, make it look straight. At times you can't even look at your scalp because your hair is so curly. So getting the edge control on top of the hair will separate that hair even more and make that part cleaner. So I'm just going along the sides of my head and also alongside of the part to make sure it's really sleek. And this is an important method I do to make sure everything's flat and looks real sleek right there. Okay, so my hair is now molded at the top, so now I gotta fix the back part. So I put my sock bun on. You put the sock bun on, like pretty much putting a hair tie on, and I'm going to use some curl enhancer smoothie to now stretch my hair out because I want my hair to cover the entire bun. I usually have a black bun, but unfortunately I have a white one, so whatever. So I'm just using my hair. I'm going to spread it like a sun. You're going to bring all your hair out, and then you're going to take like a small headband and you're going to cover it with your hand. So I have the headband across my wrist. I'm going to cover the bun with my entire hand and use my fingers to know kind of guide my way. And that's exactly all you do. Now I'm going to take the excess hair and just tuck it in underneath. Make it look nice and neat. You can use bobby pins as well, but I'm just using my hands to tuck it in, and that pretty much secures it. That's done. It's no flyaways. Everything is slicked down. I love this look. It looks so cute when you're going out, or you know, if you have an interview, if you just want to look nice. But it's an easy look, and you can choose to put your headband on, that even your head scarf on, that even makes it even more slicker. So it's really what you want to do and how you want to do it, but this is how I do it, and I really hope you guys like this look. Okay, so this is my final look. You guys can see the part. Everything is slicked down. Like, I'm very pleased with this. I love this hairstyle so much. It's just so easy to do. So if you guys haven't already, please join the gang and subscribe, like and comment and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. 30